Also, a question someone said about the live. Basically, if you fail your live, you can go back. Again, it's not if you have live, you can go to sim. It's not possible. You're not allowed to trade live and sim at a prop at the same time. Like NinjaTrader doesn't allow that, so you can't have both. By the way, that's why. Anyway, the scaling plan. So the scaling plan. This is for the funded guys. This is for each account. So you start with 2 and 20 or 3 and 30 on the 100 and 150K. And then it does scale up when you close the day above those triggers. This is also in the help center as well for you guys. So don't really need to keep this one up and go over it. I think it's self-explanatory. So feel free to look at that one up on the help center as well, guys. If you get 4 daily payouts or you move live, five payouts on anything.
Wait, we need Matt's ding ding.
Oh shit!
Ding ding, motherfuckers.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Oh boy. That was, yeah.
Ding ding.
We need Matt's ding ding.
And we're off.
Trading day without that.
And right away we have the market, the sellers taking off,
Any sim
going right away.
when you go live, you
They're
only
off to a
get
good
moved
start.
live with the drawdown.
What are we gonna do?
So it's
What's
just
gonna
like
happen? I don't know.
Anyone who has 5 accounts that
We're gonna go in for a short, see what
we
happens.
get 5
Hopefully
accounts of the
things go
blue
pretty
pill
good.
option
I
and
don't know.
request 25K. Do we get all of that?
And the buyers are back in. The
Live
buyers are back in,
traders,
starting to
let's hit
take
max
control
sim payout cap
here.
of
Let's see
100K.
what they do. Are they off?
You will get
Are they
moved
gonna make
live.
it? They
You're able
could.
to come back
They
and you'll
literally
have
could.
payout moved live.
Ooh, and then the sellers are coming back. They're coming back in for a
Previous thing
kill.
was that you couldn't even go
24,
into sim and get a
0,
payout from it, or even
25,
get that payout. live.
6,
So this one you will be able to. When rhythmic,
25.
maybe, maybe actually.
That's where it
First time I've said that,
is.
maybe.
That is what it is. And we didn't take
Move to live is normally when no.
from last time.
So before we look to move people live when they had
Ooh,
3
and we're about to
3 to 4
get hit.
payouts from the same account, or when they
And
hit a
we
certain amount
did.
of sim payouts. So now again, it is just when you hit a certain amount of sim payouts.
Shaboom.
No consistency on it. Is there a buffer on the blue pill? There is no buffer. No. So there is a minimum 5 days. So for instance, the 50K, you have to make 5.
So is the pre-down any indication that we will be going down?
So technically,
I don't
you
know.
need to have 750.
Ouch. We just got hit
However,
again.
Technically, you could lose also.
Now we are
so
going to buy.
yes, no.
Bye.
So if you have $500, the minimum's $250 for a payout. So if you have 500, you can request $250. Basically, if I choose a 1K daily payout on a 50K account, does that mean I can only have a one-time payout? No. So again, guys, we when you get 5 payouts, we just put you on a list to watch you. Like, we're not gonna watch all the traders who haven't gotten a payout. So we have a new system now that automatically watches traders to see how they're performing. I don't want to say everybody, because if you're somebody who hit the sim cap, maybe you'll get moved live at the first one. But I'd say 99% of people will
11
go on to be able
p.m.
to 3 to 4 plus payouts from these accounts before they'd even get moved live. So, you know, again, talking 12 to 15 payouts, not 5 or more. Brett, the daily loss limit will be soft. Yes, it is soft. A soft daily loss. What happens if you're halfway to payout on a flex account and then a daily payout triggers you live? Can you finish the flex week before transitioning? Yeah, so we'll just move that drawdown live as well. So look at moving the drawdown live as I mean, it's not like a payout, but you are getting that money in a live account, so you are able to trade with bigger size contracts in the live account, and you can take. And then your flex basically converts to a daily, because when you're live, you can take daily payouts. But you can take anything you make. So if you make 3,000, if you make $10,000, let's just say your first day live, you can take $10,000.
In the middle of trying to figure this out.
10 split, $9,000. What is this? I already said that one. All right. I'm reading this chat like a hawk. Where's the market at? Let me pull it up.
It's like 517 right now in NQ. Microsoft is down 2.2%. Actually 2.6 now. Damn, okay. It is
I gotta get a Simba trade in. By the way, last time I was on here, it said Boeing calls. Boeing had new.
Did you?
I was down. Yeah, it was like 2 weeks ago. I said like December calls. It was down. So, you know. But look, we had a month left. Or no, we had 2 weeks left, and they got some news. So, a little birdie said, "We're coming up to his expiration. Let's pump it."
Pamp it.
Pamp it.
Pamp it.
Nice.
Giveaways. Oh yeah, I got a bunch of codes.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, that's what they were waiting for.
Yeah. All right, let's do it. Let's do some giveaways. How about that? Why don't let's do 3 right off the rip.
Damn.
3 50Ks right off the rip. Let's do it. I'm gonna do. Let's see. Here, this is the code. Let's do that.
All right. Chat, you ready? We need to confirm the code real quick with Drew, but just the rules. You have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel, and once we put the keywords into the chat, you type that keyword once, not twice, not 3 times, because otherwise you're gonna get disqualified. Brett, you wanna give them the keyword?
Keyword is Simba Claus.
Simba
Yay.
Claus, everybody.
Simba
By the way, I'm about to
Claus.
post in the internal Slack the Simba Claus raffle.
Woo.
Make sure you guys see that. We got some cool prizes from Simba Claus himself.
That's right.
Damn, ready.
Oh wait, yeah, you spell it like that, guys. How most people are. No E. No E.
Just copy paste.
I took along. I wouldn't
Took
be
a
a
long.
trade without a trade. Yeah, it took along right at 87.
Ooh, okay. All right.
7.
It was
Am I
basically
insured?
the retest of the open. Like I
I'm
think
insured.
I'm gonna put my stop at 68.
The hold of pre-market low that we got on both futures is clean.
That's
It is
exactly
clean.
that's exactly exactly what I was looking at. Those wicks. Right at the open, we had those wicks right at like 50,
Mhm.
right? Yeah, 60.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, I'm gonna take half off here
Hey,
Nice.
nice.
at 500. 50. What I get? 505, and I'll just ride the rest. 3 off, got 3. I mean, took 3 off, got 2.
All right. Brett already like
I'm good.
spilling all
Thank
the
you,
freaking
Sl-
tea here and then
Slice,
taking a
whatever your
long.
name is.
Come on, it's
Everything I
not,
want.
it's not a
Slice.
stream without a symbol
Sorry.
long.
I had
Hell
him
yeah.
totally all locked in right now.
Can you,
Now we'll get a matcha short coming in soon.
Ooh,
Drew,
did
can you
we?
take me
We
off
got.
so I can get this coffee and food.
We keep
before
just
it gets
getting
eaten?
smacked up here, don't we?
Just go
Rat
get
out
Aren't
there.
we?
Wait, you
Leave
said
and come back.
350.
I'll be
We're gonna
right
go ahead
back.
and take
right?
another short.
Yeah, 350Ks.
All right, cool. Drew, let's run the first
Bam.
one. First 50K select plan winner. Have an eye on the chat, guys. All right, first one is Golf Guy Mike 2387. Golf Guy Mike 2387. Make sure to type something in the chat. Ideally, tag me because otherwise we won't be able to see it. Everybody who's still typing Simba Claus, you can stop. Where's the
Stop.
Golf Guy?
In the time.
All right, back. You can bring me back.
That was quick.
We need Golf Guy Mike 2387. Where you at? You want a 50K select plan account?
Hey, congrats.
Hey, there he is. He
Nice.
says I'm here. Make sure to add your email address to your YouTube channel description so we can reach out to you and send you your account.
Do we pull all 3 or just one?
Yeah, we're gonna do all 3. Drew, let's do the second one. All right, second one is Biggie Life? Did I see that right? Big L Life?
Big L.
L
Big
life?
Big Life. Type something in the chat.
All right.
And all the winners, make sure you add your email addresses to your YouTube channel description. It can be any email that you monitor. It doesn't have to be your Tradovate email. We just need one to send you your account. Where are you at, Big L Life?
Big L.
There he is. Says here. All right, we got you. Cool. Drew, let's pick the third one. Another 50K select. Third one goes to Jimmy Sumter, 1443. Jimmy Sumter, 1443. Type something in the chat really quick to claim.
Got stopped on 2.
Mind these shorts, I'm telling you. These
Now I'm only up like a couple shekels, a couple schmeckles,
shillings.
Hey, green is green.
a couple shillings. Is that is that the pirate one? Wait.
I think so.
Yeah.
I think so.
Jimmy, where you at? Jimmy Sumter, 1443.
Jimmy, come on.
Jimmy.
You did the claim.
Guys, stop typing Simba Claus. It's over. If you type Simba Claus, you're ineligible for the next giveaway.
Dang. Coming in hot.
I'm scanning. I'm memorizing every name here.
Yeah.
Jimmy.
Ah, the doubloons. That's it. Doubloons. That's the pirates.
Oh yeah.
Looks like Jimmy doesn't want an account, guys.
Oh no, poor Jim.
Jim.
Can we pick another one?
Jimbo, man, come on.
Jimbo.
Not this Jimmy. You're the wrong Jimmy. We give it to somebody else or what? What do you say, Brett?
Yeah, give it to somebody else. Sorry, Jimbo. Wait,
All right.
did he say he's here?
Nah, there was another Jimmy who said he's here.
Let's give it to that Jimmy.
You want to give it to that Jimmy?
Yeah, congrats, Jimmy.
All right.
As long as it's a Jimmy.
We got a bunch. The guys, they're going to be giving away them throughout the day. I got a bunch for you guys, by the way. You guys can give out.
Ooh.
You guys can
Say
give
I
out.
got a bunch.
All right.
You guys can give out 17 more.
17 more?
Dang.
Damn, okay. I love that. So the other
17?
Jimmy is getting one. Now I need to find him. Oh, I found him. So Jimmy Lay 4728. Make sure you add your email address to your YouTube channel description.
But I'm gonna need. I don't know if we've done it in a while. I'm gonna need the last ones to be marbles.
Ooh, I think
Go.
we're gonna run into a problem with Drew.
Drew's
I
like,
want marbles.
no.
I want marbles, but I think he still needs to set something up for that.
Oh man, I'm upset. All right. Instead of 17, it's only 7 now.
Oh God.
Dang.
He said it's almost back though. We could do the wheel of names. That's right.
All right, I'll put it back to 17.
Okay. Wait, so
Pretty
what was
choppy
your-
open here, huh? But it's
What was your short entry, Miriam?
Only shorts for me right now.
Yeah, but what was
Not
your, what was
until we
your-
get above
Okay.
40 on ES. I'm still watching these shorts.
Oh, you're
So
not in them?
again, when we have this big of a movement pre-market without at least seemingly a known news event, yeah, I would expect some chop for a little while until
Yeah.
we kind of work our way out of whatever this is. I still don't see anything major on my news feed, and we do have ISM PMI coming up in 18 minutes
Yep.
as well.
Waiting for that.
Ooh, we actually need
Brett,
to put
if you can only go
new
live at
line
the
somewhere,
first payout.
and we
If I
call
never
this
take a
one
payout, can I round
Zipper
them up
Boo,
to infinity?
and we get to win big twos,
You
and
don't
we
go
do
live at the
that.
first payout, guys. You only get put on the radar, and that's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing to go on the radar. Realistically, like if you're on the daily payouts, you actually want to go live, because you go live, there's no DLL. You can make more than the max payout amount. Like, so if you're on a 50K and you can only do 1,000, if you go live, if you make 2,000, you can take 1,500, you can take 2,000. So like realistically, I don't see a reason why you wouldn't want to go live. But on the flex, I can understand maybe a little bit, but you'll be able to get a few payouts there. Like, don't worry, we're not moving people live on the first one. Can I join as
All
a
right.
growth marketer? You can get
The
a growth
market is
account.
getting ready to close here, guys. I mean, the
Pass a
order
growth
is getting
account.
ready to
Get a payout.
close.
We'll talk about it.
The opening range.
Let's talk about it.
Talk about it. Is daily select auto trailing or end of day? Everything is end of day. We don't do that bullshit trailing drawdown here at Tradovate, man. We don't fuck traders with that here, all right? Now, hopefully we never do a plan like that. Otherwise, now I'm gonna like get clipped.
Dang. Yeah. Don't redeem
Look,
it.
I'll give you guys a little tea, little thing. We might be cooking up. It's not anywhere near ready, but there might be a new. So this is the third plan. There might be a fourth plan that's like a very beginner, super friendly, super cheap option, but for like brand new people to prop. Maybe, but not gonna be for like probably 2-3 months. Gotta get some hype from this first.
This is gonna be big. Select is gonna be big.
I'm hoping that oh, by the way, the site, we redid the site a little bit too, guys. Maybe we could pull up the, maybe we could look at the site.
I can pull it up.
While you do that, we did have the first set of data come out here. Matt, I don't know if you have any information on it. It doesn't seem like there's much of a reaction so far.
No, PMI composite final coming in line, PMI services final coming in line. So we're just now waiting for ISM services PMI, which will be in 14 minutes.
Our opening range is pretty small.
See.
Yeah, so we changed, I mean, nothing really here. We changed the header. We do have to change that to say over 100 million in verified payouts.
That is crazy.
So I'm gonna get
100 million. We gotta put some focus on that. 100 million in how much time?
14 months.
That's insane. 100 million, 14
Really,
months.
like 13.
Crazy.
Yeah.
So
Insane.
basically a year.
What is the prediction for 200? Vinny gave a crazy estimate. Yeah, I was gonna. Here, let's look at this first. So this is the new plan selector, by the way, guys. So you are able to go here and choose your type of plan. So if you want growth, select lightning funded, and we change the way that you can select these options. So a little bit easier here, and you'll see that when you click select or you have it highlighted, like Nick is showing here, it shows you the eval on the left, and then the two options that you get to choose after. So once you pass, choose your path. Boom.
Love
Great
that.
Anyway, yeah. So what's the predictions for 200 million?
200 million.
I'll give you some insight. So we're paying out a little. We pay out more than Rise technically. So, but we're only basing this on Rise. Technically, we already hit this probably like 2-3 weeks ago, 100 million. But we're just using what's verified on Rise. So right now we're paying out like 13 a month right now.
13 a month.
13 million a month. All right.
I'm gonna say.
I would say.
All right, let's hear you first.
I'll say end of May.
Mine's start of May.
April Fool's Day.
Yep. I'm gonna have to, when we hit 200 mil, I'm gonna say, sorry guys, we're pulling the rug.
Any time in May is gonna be crazy, honestly. That would be so fast.
Well, Vinny said, you want to hear what Vinny said? Vinny's crazy.
What did he say?
Vinny was like, end of March. I'm like, are you crazy? I'm like, what do you think this plan's about to do? Double us up? Maybe.
Literally.
Maybe we're gonna start paying out 25 million a month. Who knows? Ambitious.
Very ambitious.
Love it.
I don't hate it though.
I don't hate it either. I'd love to get up there. That'd be huge. All right, let's see what everybody's this is a chop market. Wow. Good time to launch a plan and have some questions though answered at least.
True.
All right, I'm reading more questions, guys. Feel free to ask. I'm gonna read new ones right now. If you guys have any. Well, oh yeah, the 1 year anniversary will be in
Ooh,
May.
End of May.
Yeah, that
22nd.
would be sick for TTV.
That
Hell
would be
yeah.
fire.
I still got to plan the 1 year.
That would be sick.
Damn, where are we gonna do it?
Where are we gonna do it?
The moon.
Where?
Or hell
Only
for
place.
Miriam. She wants a short. You
I
can't go up.
already am in a short.
Wait, you are in a short?
I already am in a short.
Oh, damn. What was your entry?
I got in on ES. I got in at VWAP, and then I added. So
Yes.
I'm up a decent amount right now.
Nice.
I want to see this pre-market.
Let's go to your screen then. You're in a trade.
Yeah, let's go over here.
Let's see Miriam.
Well, we
Let me
get
share my
Miriam
screen.
here. Let's see. Brett, do you... Oh, golden pocket trade question. Sure, I'll answer this. You ever use the GP on the daily open on the 5 minute? Yeah, it's actually really, like, one of my favorites is letting the first 15 or 30 play out. So like 9:30 to 10, you'll usually get like a pump up or or move down. Then it retraces to the GP, and then it goes in the same direction it did in the morning. That's actually like my favorite trade ever. Usually, when it keeps running. Tradovate debit card. Yeah, we might be cooking.
Yeah, what's up with that? I saw it on Twitter. I was like, wait a minute.
I don't know what's up with
Tradovate
that.
debit card.
I don't know what's up with that. All I know is it's going to be made of gold. Not really. Maybe the first few of them could be. Robinhood did it. We
It'll
can do
just
it.
be gold.
Actually, not anymore. We'll need a
Hopefully.
50% drop in gold, and then maybe we'll do it.
Hopefully we
Yeah,
get a
it's
It's
move
funny
that
because
we
like
can
Robinhood, they gave
actually
out
do
their credit cards were literally
what we're
it's
trying to
literally made
do.
of gold.
That's insane. Yeah,
We're
that
also
must have
trying
gained
to
a lot of value.
decide
That's
if
actually
we
wild.
want
Like there's no number
to
on the screen.
buy
No. Like this.
the lifetime subscription.
So wait, what price was gold at when you got it?
It literally says the gold. You can't see it here, but right
Look,
here in
Matt.
the corner, it says
So we can have a-
79, like for gold.
A
Like
real
the comic.
What was gold at when you got it, price-wise? You know?
Literally like 40% lower.
That's sick.
So like I almost doubled up on this. So they said that this was worth like 400 or 500 for the first people in weight of gold. But now it's got to be like it's got to be like 800, 900 bucks. It's crazy.
Oh yeah, man.
My buddy, he just got one, and he said it's like janky. It's not like doesn't feel like
Yep.
doesn't feel like mine. They're probably like let's make it half as thick.
Oh wait, sorry, I just realized. Wait, Drew, can you switch my screens real quick? I didn't realize I'm not even on the screen.
Where's
that
our
I'm supposed
water
to be
at?
on. Sorry. There we go.
You got any earnings this week or anything? I didn't even check. I don't think so, right?
Nothing significant. No, I mean it's just the couple instances of red folder news next week. By Thursday, everybody's going to be looking at and talking about the Fed and what happens next
When's
week.
the cut?
Anything good going
when's
on?
the-
Come on,
the-
guys.
When's that FOMC?
Something's got to
Well, a
happen,
week from
right?
today.
Oh wow!
All right.
That's a big one. So I think everybody. I mean, I'm looking at like nowadays you look at like Kalshi and Polymarket. You just look at the odds of the rate cut. I think
Ooh,
it's
here he goes.
I think it was like 70%. Think there's a cut.
It was like 80 something on the Fed Watch tool. So yeah,
Mm.
that's about in line.
All right.
Ooh, nice push down.
There we go. I want to see this pre-market low clear. Already up like 10 points on this. I'm gonna move my stop to this.
Are you
candle.
already trading a select account?
No, this is a personal account.
We can't trade this other one because
I
that does
should
have
right?
news.
Miriam,
I fucked up.
Just full
No-nos.
full pour it long and fail it.
I know I messed up.
Can we
Man.
break the lows on I don't even have ES.
I know we might either
close.
make equal lows or
Ooh, now
we
it's
can
coming
make
back up. There's
higher-
news,
higher
so
lows.
we
That's
gotta
not what I wanna
watch
do,
out.
So I'm gonna move my stop. Just
All
to
right.
be safe.
I'm gonna give my play of the day.
There we go. Got stopped out on one.
Ooh, that was a strong
Almost
reaction
stopped
there.
out on the other.
I'm gonna look for my play of the day. Ready? It's gonna be. I'll make it lower. I'll make sure it's lower. Play of the day for me. Assuming we dump more. I'd probably just long. I'd probably like to long that. That what is this?
Yeah.
Is that London on the 2nd? What was that? Last night? No, 2 nights ago.
All right. I'm out of
What do
that
you want to
trade.
long?
That's
350.
Wait, 350?
Yeah.
25,350. All right.
London. That London pump. See it?
Yep. See it. I'm gonna
Nice
set an
trade,
order.
Mary.
I'm gonna set an order right there, right now.
350.
350.
Do like 352 because they're probably how they are.
All right, I got it at 352.75.
All right. I don't know if we'll get there based on this big, huge. I thought we were gonna break down right there, honestly.
I did too. I didn't really trust it, but I did too.
Also, like most likely if we, I mean, this is just it is a giant bear flag kind of.
It is.
But if we invalidate this and probably if we break 540 again, we'll probably.
Okay.
I'll look for another entry.
We're hoping it continues down, actually.
Yeah, that'll probably be good. All right, let me read some more questions. Sorry. What about some Tradovate cigars? Great question. It's
Very
funny.
important
Some of the questions you read, and then when you get to the end, you're like, "Oh, why did I choose this? Why did I choose to speak this one out loud?" Who knows? Maybe they'll be on the merch store. For growth accounts, did you change the rules to go live or stay the same? So, yes, a great question. So, if you bought accounts before today, you still have the old. You have the option to choose which live you want. So, yeah.
I did try a short there at 86.
I don't hate it. I don't hate that.
No.
That's exactly where I was actually looking to re-enter, but I don't like the chop. And then we have data coming out, another set of data coming out in less than 4 minutes. So I'm just gonna wait.
Let's see.
I hope you get the dump.
Dump it.
Dump it. These top wicks are not. I mean, top wicks aren't convincing me of longs, but that bottom wick that we just got, that buy tail, I don't know, kind of a indecision market right now.
Yeah, we got to see what the news is in 3 minutes here and kind of where we pivot from them. Gold's looking very interesting to me here.
What do we got in 3 minutes?
We got ISM services PMI.
Even the smaller news before
Come on, come down.
I feel like heavier.
Yeah.
What day is FOMC again?
1 week.
Wednesday.
YT Wednesday.
Wednesday.
YT FOMC day.
Hey, you guys got the white. Hey, I should have wore a white polo. I just realized
Well, you
you're
kinda
all
did.
rocking white.
It kind of goes.
Is that white matte or is it cream? I can't tell.
It's white.
Okay.
It looks white to me, or like a grayish.
It kind of counts as white.
They can get the sexy white tea alert.
Hey, it's Wednesday. You must know, Brett.
I'll just change like the contrast on my camera until this.
Yeah, there you go.
Alright.
The white balance.
Just blow up the light in front of
Nick,
you.
did you get the built yet?
No, it's coming tomorrow.
Okay.
I'm gonna do a review. Let's see.
If you like it, we're
I think
gonna
we
have
might
to
get jacked here.
Miriam and Madison
Come on.
built.
Hey,
We're gonna have to
I don't
become
know.
the built
Built
nation.
creates. Do they have women's products?
I think so, yeah.
I thought it was just for men.
yeah, they do. I think they do.
They don't. Never mind.
Maybe they do, but it's not like.
Well,
Yeah.
let's see. I've been wearing cuts for the last 8 years. So
Chat. Who knows built and who knows cuts? We might have to do it. Cuts versus built in the chat.
let's
Why don't
see
we?
if
Why
Bills
don't we? We'll see if anybody even knows it. Otherwise, we're gonna get like random ass votes. News in 2. All right. But this doesn't usually move much, right?
You know, it doesn't typically, but you never know, especially any sort of like price index or anything even tangentially related to inflation, because we didn't get inflation data. So, you know, I mean, anything coming from the BLS has been few and far in between. So, you know, coming from a neutral third party, I think people will put a little more weight in. Honestly, at this point, with you could tell me this would spike us or drop us 200 points at the NQ. Wouldn't be shocked. It most likely it pops around for 2 or 3 minutes and just kind of does what it does.
Does what it does.
It does what it does.
I do like the shorts, but this news could do some wild shit right now. So let's see. 30 seconds.
Here we go. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Nothing. You see like that first 5 seconds and you're like, all right, here we go. Wait. Okay. A little bit.
Let's see if we can clear Bebop here.
Need to clear that 540-ish. Need to clear that. You can't always. You can't even just let a news candle do it. You have to wait. Right.
Pretty much in line, so that
that lines up with where the market moved it in the line.
I still don't hate the shorts. I still don't hate. As long as we're below this 840 on ES, I don't hate it. Nasdaq really needs to get back above like 545, 550. I would think.
Nick, we got some comments in the chat. Built is better quality, but he said I've also never had cuts. Bro, what? Like, wait, come on, man. I thought I was about to have somebody say I tried both. Instead, he's like, no, I never even tried it. But
hey, I will know by tomorrow.
All right. I haven't even tried cuts, really.
Did you buy them?
I bought them on Black Friday. Yeah, Brett made me do it.
I mean, I felt your shirt in, but I don't know if that's a little old or whatever. You know, you wear these white tees all the time, so
yeah.
Wait, Nick, you're in the short, right? Can we switch to your
I'm
screen?
still in the short, yeah.
What's your stop on this play?
Oh shit, you're shorting?
539. I shorted 5 minutes ago.
Okay.
Not looking too good though. Not looking too hot.
What's your stop? You said? Sorry.
539.
The high of that wick.
Yep.
Okay.
I just don't want to. It would be so ugly to sweep that and then go lower.
That I was just thinking that. Like, this feels like one of those days.
I really want to place a long now, but I feel bad, man.
Do it.
What would make you get in the long, Brett?
Probably like I probably need like 535, or I need like that. I just need to take out that whatever the high is.
Now we're close.
Hold up, let's see.
Very close.
535, yeah, 537.
Yes.
I'm up $380 today, guys.
Damn.
Big day for me.
Big day.
Oh, it's still holding. Oh, it looks like it wants to stop.
Those rat BS'd.
Is Microsoft recovering? So like on a day like today, like I would look at I'd look at Microsoft and Apple. Apple, have you guys seen Apple lately? You see Apple lately, Matt?
Yeah,
okay, so it took
crazy moves.
this.
What can I say? Tim Apple knows what he's doing.
Yeah.
Thinking it would take.
Did they? Oh no, they didn't overtake Nvidia yet. Yeah, there's a big bet on Polymarket. Which company is going to be worth the most? Oh, there we go. I should have taken that long. Shit. Pulled up fucking Microsoft.
I do like the long now on ES.
Wow, that would have been. Anybody take that long? 535, 540, big, huge shove right through there. Damn. Anyway, yeah, and Apple right now market cap 4.25 trillion, right? And Nvidia 4.37, which is crazy because Nvidia is down pretty big from the highs.
Yeah, it is.
Crazy. Nvidia was at 211. It's at 180. What is that? Like 15%. So we'll see. Tim Apple. I think they're gonna. Didn't they say that they're not releasing a new iPhone next year? Or is that?
What?
Am I mistaken?
Really?
I think if that got out, that would hurt the stock pretty.
Oh, I thought it was like. I thought it was like they're gonna do something and like innovate more. Like they're I don't know, or like something's delayed. Maybe it was the iPad. I don't know.
I think
For the
they're doing,
iPhone, that would be
they're doing a
crazy.
foldable.
I guess that would be
or something.
terrible. Yeah, actually, yeah. I
I'm-
guess they can't do that.
Honestly, I'm still expecting them to drop some new collars for the 17, like in March or something.
New what?
New collars for the
Oh.
Pro Max.
Yeah.
I mean, how can it be that there is no black phone? Really?
Wait, you use the Mac?
Yeah, always.
Oh, I hate that. I mean, I have a pretty big hand, and I can't even. You can't put your thumb on the top of the
You get
screen.
used to it. You get used to it.
What do you mean? You got to move your hand. There's no way your hand's that big.
No, but I mean, like.
Right. That's the max. Put your finger on the bottom and put it all the way on the top without moving your hand.
I will move my hand. I just dropped.
Yeah,
the
you're
phone
gonna move.
like
Yeah. You gotta move your hand. Oh man, you gotta like.
Nah, it works though. It works. I love the big screen. So, but this one, like that, they don't have a black version is absolutely insane to me. I don't
That
get
is
it.
Yeah, I was surprised it didn't have a lot of colors, but I guess they just don't want to. I don't know.
Well,
Big bush. What are you looking to
There's
short?
so much
Miriam? Around
liquidity
here,
here.
or,
At
like,
least grab
I'm
all of
Not
that back so
anymore.
I can
Now I'm
like
looking at
get
longs.
out.
I thought. Oh, okay. I like
Mhm.
600 for a
Okay.
short. I like 600 for a short though. That would be the. Let me see where the GP is. Probably right around here actually.
I only like shorts that were staying under.
Get out
this
with like
40
less
We're at
damage.
We're at the golden pocket.
All right,
This goes from
short?
580 to 620.
just grab
yeah.
it.
If
Just
you
grab
take
it.
the high before the news.
I mean, that's like 50% right there, right?
Who's up here? Nick, no, you know how to draw it. Who put it in there?
from where to where? You want to go from the top?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
We're at the 618. We just wicked it.
Dang.
We'll see.
Did you take it?
No. How long? I'll go. I don't know what I want to do. I missed that one long. I'm pissed.
How do you get like when you're looking at those longs? Do you market order in?
I just said a buy stop. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you buy. Okay.
It depends. Like, honestly, I didn't. The reason I didn't go in that one is because it was like. I mean, it was 2 minutes after. I guess. But like, it was just after news. So like, sometimes I don't like to do that.
All right,
Like,
there we go. It's going
It
down.
might be like a fake news wick, right? Like for 2 minutes.
Grabbed
or
a lot
something.
of it. It grabbed a lot.
Retesting the opening range high here on Nasdaq. Ooh, sellers are kind of.
By the way, guys, we are announcing our new trading coach today. He's actually been a live trader with us before, so we hired within from you guys out of the crowd, who's done really well, and he was one of our first live traders. He's actually been here before. I won't spoil the rest, but he's coming on at. Do we know what time?
12. 12
12.
is going to be. Yeah, 12. Yeah, with Coach Tank.
Awesome. So we're gonna have
Coach Pinkerton.
both our coaches on at 12. That's going to be awesome. I will say, guys, like a lot of people don't value enough the help you can get by talking with a coach. We've seen, I think there's literally a statistic. I'll get the exact number so I don't like, just throw a number out there, but I know it's above 80% of people have done better at like the following 7 to 10 days after they met with Coach Tank. So, not everybody's going to be
crazy
obviously. What'd you say?
That's some crazy stats.
Yep. So, it does help to have somebody to talk with, to be able to figure out what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong, or even just a mindset shift, right? I know everybody here preaches that all the time, so you guys hear it from the hosts, of course, but Coach Tank has been able to help the live traders lock in. I'm super excited to see what our new coach does as well. So as we expand the coaching program and live, we'll also look to do, we're going to be looking at doing some group sessions, possibly like monthly webinars and stuff with that like are more, I think we already do like a couple sessions, right, on TV here, but I think we're gonna try to go like do like a bigger one once a month or something like that, where we market it a little bit more and prep it all and everything. So that'll be exciting. Tesla pushing.
Come on, come on, drop.
It's pumping. I'm like, I got my camera set up here, like hiding the left side of my screen, so I got like bob and weave to see the corner of my screen. And Amazon down big, Microsoft down big, Tesla up big. So we got that mixed NQ market.
I'm watching this level here for potential long. Potential. I'm watching. ES has some buyers sitting at 68.35. So kind of watching that level to see if we can bounce, come down to that area and then bounce. Nasdaq's trying to hold its 9 so far. Let's see.
Brett,
Otherwise, we get a reduction here. Continue.
There is an example question in the chat for the select plan from Nicola. It's like the 5th last question. You want to answer that?
But if I have 1,500 on my Flex account, and if I have 1,500 on my Flex account, I can pay out only 750, and my new balance is 5,750. Does that mean I can't go to 50,000 again? Please answer.
Please answer.
Yes. Double check right now. I'm pretty sure after your first payout, the drawdown moves to the starting balance.
Right, grab the level for ES.
Keep in mind also you'll need 5 days of 150. You don't just need the balance of 1,500. I'll double check for you right now. What is your professional background? You sound like you worked in finance or accounting. So I actually did. I have a finance degree, but I didn't learn shit. The only class I learned, anything in was international finance, where I learned a little bit about like Forex and like trading international currencies, and also like what news events and rate cuts can do and stuff like that. So that's a great class. I highly recommend that class, or even taking like you don't even have to like go to college, but like find like an international finance class. It's an interesting class as long as you have a pretty good teacher. Although we had a funny teacher, so I took it with my best friend actually. I finished college with my best friend. We actually all went to different colleges.
Oh my God.
My two best friends. So we all went to 3 different my two best friends, we all went to 3 different colleges for the first 2 years. And then after, we all wanted to transfer. So we all transferred to FAU in Florida. And that's how we ended up here. And we all finished it here. So it's pretty sick. But
That's awesome.
anyway, we all stayed down here. But I had one professor in there. I took it with my best friend. And the one thing he would say, he had a big accent. I forget what it was. But instead of saying dollars, he would say dollars.
Dollars?
So like for the whole like 2 years after that, me and my buddy would always be like, "You got some dollars?" Or like, "It's $5." Instead of like an L, he put a W. It was like the funniest thing ever.
That was
I hope he's watching right now.
I hope he's watching. Anyway, so I did that. But before that, when I was I went to Ryder in Jersey, like a private business school, and they have a good accounting program. I wanted to be an accountant. And actually, so I got past accounting 1, and then we had somebody come in accounting, and it was from the FBI, and he did accounting in the FBI, and that's what I wanted to do. So forensic accounting, which is like you basically have to like, when they go to pop like a big, business fucking fraudster or whatever.
Pulling for,
first of all, you have to go through the police academy, and like you go in with them, and then like the forensic accountant is basically like a basic cop that goes in, and like he'll look through all the files and do everything.
They're trying to get people to buy.
He's there like when they break in, so it was cool. It was like an active thing. He told us like one time he went undercover as like a garbage man, and like they went through they went to like a couple of these rich guys' houses, and they took their garbage, and then they pieced together all the papers that some of the stuff that they shredded, and they got like $100 million fraud case solved.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so like I was like, that's cool. Like, I mean, going undercover, doing stuff like that. So I was like, let me do this. Anyway, so I got to accounting 2, and I said, fuck this shit. So that was the end of my accounting, and switched to finance.
Dang. So it wasn't like you would have gone through the whole police academy and all of that.
Yeah. Yeah, my stepdad
Wild.
is like, she's like, I think he's now he's like chief of police, actually recently.
Oh, wow.
But
Crazy.
he was a cop like the whole time I was growing up. So
That's
Brett,
really cool.
I got a keyword ready. How many accounts?
3.
350Ks?
Let's do it.
All right, chat. The keyword is dowers.
Dawas. No, it's
Dawas.
Dawas. All right, Dowers it is. Fine.
It's not dowers.
Dowers.
That's good.
Max goes.
Man.
Max goes. he's
Market's doing a
messaging
whole
me.
lot of nothing so far.
Max messaging me on the side. He's like, I'm about to crash my straight to funded and just get these new plans. I'm like, oh my god.
Yeah, they're building
Yeah,
for these shorts,
sounds-
guys.
sounds
They
about right.
are-
Mhm.
to me, that's what it looks
Not-
like. They're
Not financial advice.
Not financial.
They're-
NFA.
trying to get people to take.
Oh wait,
man.
shit. This is the long
Longs.
I like too. Shit. 500. I
Why do you
missed
like
it
this
again.
long?
So I like
Okay.
this long because that news candle, we broke those. So if you, man, I wish I could share my damn screen. So annoying.
Can you not?
That news candle broke that 500 level. That was basically what it did. So we just retested that. So I'm just playing off of that previous, like pretty much there's all wicks from 940 to the news candle. And that previous resistance now turns support. So we can get
I can see
down
that. I
to
can see that.
we can get down to 508. I'll take I'm gonna put an entry here for 6. See if I can get in.
I like 500 or 496. Otherwise, this almost looks like we're creating a bear flag.
Biggest issue is like, so past 3 minutes we already bounced around 500 and then we pumped up now. So if we go back down to 5 again on the 4th time, it's like so don't mind if I don't get tapped in, but if I do, I want to get a pump right up right after.
What would be your target for that?
45 or higher.
45.
40.
Pop.
40 plus. Yeah, probably won't see it. All right, I'm gonna cancel it. Like ideally, I don't want to see a 25 point dump to end my entry now,
Yeah.
because then it's probably gonna break down.
You only go up 20 more from where it was.
Yeah. So I missed 2
Yes,
trades.
ES has a lot of sellers sitting at that 845 level, same freaking level from yesterday.
Come on.
And pretty much where we topped out at right now. So right now fighting at this opening range highs. So I don't love longs, but at the same time, it's kind of hard to say today. It's like it feels like the same sort of sentiment as yesterday. Not the same, but like similar.
At 42.52.
Say that again?
Just got long gold at 42.52.
I was about to say, Matt, what are
I
you,
don't
what
know,
are you
this
doing
could
over
be a
there?
bounce
to the
right when
upside
I was
now.
about to say it, right when I'm about to say
I'm-
it, you're locked in and you just took a trade. Literally, that was the next sentence for me.
Brett, golden pocket question. On gold actually. So
Hold on, pull up gold real quick. Where are you in at, Matt? I want to see what you...
42.52.4, target of 57.4, with a stop just a couple ticks below 42.50.
Yeah, I think they're
What is
building
the contract right now?
still.
contract is GC6.
BCG.
Yep.
Okay. Why do they have different ones? Like, why can't it be the same as?
Nobody knows.
As,
So golden pocket question. For example, on gold, right? The move from London low, which is 4225, up to 4272. If you drew the fibs there, your 0.7 would be at 4238. But before it actually came down there, it made a little bit of a new high. Would you still take that golden pocket trade or no?
From 5:15 a.m. right? Wait, where are you looking?
5:15 a.m.
Yeah.
up to 9 a.m.
9 a.m. Yeah. So
Or do you look?
it only hit the 50%.
Or do you look for that 9:35 a.m. peak?
No, I'd be 9:45, 100 like that. I mean, that is the golden gold trade, literally. Like that's as good as it gets right there. So all right, look, man, I'm sorry. You take off those your what are the candles on the right?
It's just high time. I don't even. Yeah.
Come on. Come on. Here we go.
Can you move them?
Here we go. I wanted to take a short here. Another one, but scared.
Because it's almost like I feel like if I'm looking at it, and look, I know you
all right,
it, but like
we've got.
I feel like if somebody new is looking at it, they're almost like it's a continuation of the chart, and they don't understand. So I feel like there needs to be like a. Yeah. That's why I think it's confusing. Maybe I would put it on the left. Can you put it on the left?
Usually I do this.
Uh-oh.
I just have one open.
Those orders at the bottom got pulled too.
More left. But,
can you put them? If you don't put them after it, yeah, that's good. Anyway, the GP hit for like literally those wicks right there are as good as it gets. And these are good because then look, if you put your mouse right on
maybe
right
I
on
took
42.39 and then move it to the left, it lines up with those previous highs.
42.39. Oh yeah, true.
All right, we got to pull these winners, but chat.
All right, I've stopped out break even on that gold trade. It was playing for a breakout, and it reversed hard on me. So yeah, break even on that, guys.
Ew, this price action today is
yucky.
I do not like it.
Yucky. So
I don't like.
Drew is ready to pull some winners here. 50K select plan. Drew, let's run the first one. Everybody's still typing the keyword. You can stop. It's not going to do anything anymore. Let's see who gets the first one. First one is Kim Capital. Kim Capital, congrats. Make sure to type something in the chat really quick.
Kim Car Capital.
Kim Car Capital.
Kim Car Capital.
That's a fire trader name. Like a Twitter name if you're a trader. You just call yourself Kim Car Capital.
All right, says let's go. Everybody who wins, by the way, chat, make sure you add your email address to your YouTube channel descriptions so we can send you your account. All right,
keep dropping.
One, Drew.
Keep dropping.
Second one is Kim Possible. Second one is Precision Trade Lab. Precision Trade Lab. Claim your price.
Wait, is that an OG?
Not sure. Doesn't sound familiar.
Maybe I'm. Yeah,
there we go.
Yeah.
Doesn't sound familiar.
Precision Trade Lab. You are the winner.
Here's a drop. Here's the drop, guys. Come on.
Oh, there he is. Says here.
Drop
all right,
down.
Third one. Third 50K select plan. Who's gonna get that one? Let's see.
What is Dowers?
Are you still connected to your friend, Brett?
Oh yes, my best friend.
Oh, okay. Bring the whole thing on.
Yeah. Like, well, he's probably like one of the only friends I'm connected with.
Oh.
He's the one I told the story the other. Was I on? I was on here, right? Oh no, it was with Nick and Rebecca. So anyway, I saw him for Thanksgiving, and his whole family came over to our house.
Oh.
And whatever, his brother, he's also like one of my brothers, but like, you know, whatever, he's my best friend's brother. I don't see him as much because he lives in Jersey, but anyway, he just started to trade prop. We got him into it.
Oh, let's go.
So yesterday he's trading, or whenever, I forget what day I was on, maybe Monday I was on TV, and he goes, I get a text from Austin, my best friend, and he's like Blaze was in, he took 5 trades, he made $50 each. He goes, it can't be this easy. The very next trade he loses $500, and I go welcome. Like, welcome to trading.
You have been initiated.
So funny. We were cracking up the other day. We were like one of us.
Okay, I'm hoping that this is rolling over here. I think that's what I'm hoping for.
Like that,
looking at the Mac right now.
I mean, that's,
hoping that it rolls over. This one does not look so rolly over though. So
you don't know until you know.
We're in a
fight. It's like the funniest thing. Once you like, it's that I feel like all these beginner traders when they start, like there's got to be like beginner's aura in love. Like there has to be, because like everybody
I don't really
always gets
see the orders building like it was before.
they don't realize that they're just
So I
closing it
almost feel
early, or they're
like
not.
we
not
are
doing
gonna
a
go
strategy,
up,
and then the
and I'm
first
about to
actual
get
trade that goes wrong, it's all
wrecked.
gone.
True. Hey, Drew, can we select the third select plan winner? Let's run the bot.
How many more do we have?
I mean, after that we have 14 more, according to
Oh
Brett.
boy.
Hey, Pew Trades, that's an OG.
We can spread them out though, so give them later, everybody, for the whole
We're doing
stream.
all 14
Yeah,
right now.
throughout the
Yeah,
entire day.
you guys are like, no, we're giving them all out before
Yeah,
11 a.m.
the next giveaway is going to be 14 in one go. No, I'm kidding. Pew Trades, congrats. Type something. Let's go.
All right,
Okay,
guys.
so it
another
bounced off
minute.
the
Any
middle
last
for the
questions?
second
'Cause I
time.
gotta hop for the
Alright, there
day,
it is.
but I hope everybody likes the updates, likes the plans. We're super excited about having these. I think the next wave of Tradify growth starting now. So hopefully we have all the options that everybody could want. Straight to funded, traditional eval with consistency, higher caps. Little
Come
bit
on.
harder eval with then daily payouts.
Come
or
on,
going to
guys.
Higher payouts, no consistency plan, right? So we're literally hitting all the bases here, and super excited for everybody to get in these plans. And remember, guys, all plans too. We're gonna be doing there's gonna be a big reskin coming next year, but all these plans come with the journal. The journal is definitely slept on, and we know that we haven't cooked on it in a bit, so that's gonna be we have a huge plan for that we're doing in the first quarter of next year. So be on the lookout for that, and more insights for you guys in order to learn how to trade, learn from your mistakes in a lot of these challenge accounts. Funded
Looks like
accounts,
they
even
just built
live
all
accounts.
these orders
That's
right
another
here.
thing,
We're
live
probably gonna get
environment,
swept.
Is getting a big update soon on our back end, so look out for that. But yeah, I'll answer any quick last ones.
A pool on
Appreciate the
ES
love.
up here happened.
Blue minimum profit day. This means I have to trade daily. No, you can trade whenever. You don't need to trade like in a row or every single day. Add debit cards as payment options. I forget why we don't have that.
In Q, it's still there.
Double check. Not many questions. All right, that means I did a good job, hopefully, explaining it. But everybody here knows about the plans, guys. If you have questions, feel free to ask anything that we're not sure of. We can get back to everybody.
Another lower low.
But
Is the Discord a
on
place
the
that
Mac?
people can ask questions at?
Yes, Discord is the best
What
place to
does
ask questions actually as well.
our
So
side
feel
look
free to
like?
put them in there. But
More
I highly
lowers?
recommend everybody. It's probably live now. Let me link it real quick before I hop off. Where is it? Help Center. Here we go. I highly recommend everybody check out the Help Center. Just put the link there for the articles if you guys have questions. Did I manage to buy all the Pokemon? What's the gibbet? No. All right. I did win. I did take my son to the arcade, and I hit a 2-for-1 on the claw. I got 2 Pokemon. I got Bulbasaur and Pikachu in one grab. So.
Dang.
Shit.
Oh, come
Need
on,
help?
man.
If you need help, just know I got the claw.
The claw.
All right, everybody. Thanks for having me on, guys. I hope you guys crush it
Thanks,
today.
Brett.
Sorry it was pretty choppy. I missed a trade, but hey, Miriam took a short, got a win. We had a couple trades on here in this chop. I think you guys will get a pretty good move, hopefully after 11 or something. So see what happens. But I'll swap out for Amos. Thanks for having me, guys.
Thanks for coming on.
Thanks, Brett. Have a great rest of your day.
You too.
All right.
All right, guys. Well, let's not waste any time. He's been waiting. Let's bring Amos in.
Oh, wait.
Now he's not ready.
Now he's not. Oh, now he's gone.
He's
Okay.
like, and he's gone.
Just bring his
to
bring his
Mars.
chair on. Just bring his
Yeah,
empty chair on. That's fine.
There he is. All right, let's bring him on. Drew's like, wait.
Or not. Drew's like, no.
Maybe not.
I don't feel like it today. Let's just not bring him also. Yeah, chat, already
need
give
a
us a
second.
welcome Amos. Or give us a welcome Amos in the chat. He's going to be here shortly, just now. There we go.
There
man.
he is.
What's up, guys?
Good
What's
morning,
up,
Amos.
Amos?
How you
How
doing,
are you?
man?
Great. What about you guys?
And
Oh,
we're
you
just
know.
watching this bullshit price action.
Yeah, this is insane.
Last about 30 minutes.
Did you
have
take a
just
trade
been
yet?
Worthless.
Oh, I didn't. No. To be honest,
Yeah,
I can't. I don't have a read right now. It's
Yeah.
The low basically that got created at 953. Usually, like
Just
we pop the low that got created in the pre-market. So now I have like a decent
cool if you
read on if the sellers or
retested
the buyers are in control right now. We're
6-9.
just in a big range. So
I don't need all of it. I just
those
need
15 minutes,
a small portion of that.
15-minute
that's all.
candles are not telling me a good story.
That's
So I'm
all.
just staying out of the market for now.
Yeah, I agree. It's very choppy. There's very much a lot of indecision. I don't love anything so far. The only play I took today, well, I took two, but on my funded, I took the short. I took the trend line break here that we got
Okay,
in the
come on.
pre-market. Pretty much rode it all the way down to pre-market low. I got stopped out right on this candle right here, but that was like the best trade so far today. I tried the short on ES at VWAP. I entered at VWAP. I added more in. Basically got stopped out on this candle here, and now
Really
we've
wish
just
I
been
didn't get in
chopping
way
around. There's
down
literally
here,
nothing that I like here.
or
There's
that I
no
got
follow-through
out
either.
once it,
like
you know,
typically
past
I
a
would have
certain
taken
point.
the
So
open
I could be
range
taking
break.
a short
I did
there.
like this for long on this candle, and then we just could not get the extension, so we ended up getting a nice reversal back into the 9 EMA, and we've just been riding the 9 EMA. So really, this whole
Needed to break
day has
underneath.
been a
What
pedal
is
bottom
this
for me. Like,
session
there's literally
VWAP,
no
and why
trade
is
to
it
take
different from the other
as long
ones?
as we're stuck in between today's range. Until we break down below this pre-market low is really what I
Session.
like. Or if we can break above pretty
And
much,
if I click on this other one,
I don't know, 600, 600.
Yeah.
But even then, I don't know. Kind of an interesting day so far. Don't really love it. Did you trade yesterday, Amos?
Yeah, I traded yesterday and Monday. So right now I'm on a 2-trade winning streak. But the thing is when we went to Miami, I was not trading there, and when I came back, I went on a 3-trade
all right.
losing streak.
For
but
this
if I was
account, we
trading
have
in Miami, I
set
would've been breaking
either
even every
a
day, would've,
rotate off
basically
or
won my
rotate
whole
on.
day on
This is
my
going to
strategy.
happen
So
either way today,
got
and
those
that
losses
is
back this
what it's
week.
going to be.
So
We're going to
gotta
leave
build
it.
up from there. But right now with the new plans, I
That
don't
is
know what
that.
I'm gonna do. Am I gonna stay with the lightning accounts, or I'm just gonna do the
This
new plan?
one,
I
we are
really
trying to
don't know.
get out of the hole.
I'll see actually, but the new plans are just amazing. So
Crazy.
definitely looking
What are
to
you like?
And hope
which
we
one would you be
survive.
leaning towards most? Do you have an idea?
Good question. To be honest, I would be leaning a little bit more towards the blue pill. So I don't know how it's called. Is it wait,
I
let me
think
see.
that one's the
Scalp account
Shoot.
is
Yeah,
not looking
it's
too
the
bad
select flex, yeah.
for
I
the
would be
day.
leaning a little
We
bit more
are
towards the select
hoping
flex.
to make something
The
happen.
only reason is because of the daily loss limit.
It's
I
not so
would say.
scalpy, but we're just leaving it
But
in.
Yeah.
overall, I
We
think
actually just need to
fits my
pass
control,
or fail this
it
one
fits
by
my
Friday.
style.
Uh-oh.
I could be making a lot of money just from $200 days, $300 days on a 50K account, on let's say 550K accounts. Especially even the daily payouts is just wow. What was that candle?
Oh shit!
Oh,
That?
Oh my god!
What the hell?
What the hell?
What the hell?
What the hell?
Anything on the news?
I don't see anything yet, but let's see.
Good lord!
sweat. Did it
That
sweep?
was a lot of
Is it
volume
sweeping?
that just popped in. Lots of buying pressure coming in here on both futures. Something's out.
I'm seeing the chat right now, and to be honest, a daily loss limit of 1,000 on an account with $2,000 of drawdown is not bad. It's like
So
you're
it's
risking
swept.
50% of your account.
Let's hope that was a liquidity
Let's
sweep.
be honest, you're extremely over risk if you lose $1,000 in a day.
Yeah.
I think if you want to go for higher, let's say higher profits, you should just go for a bigger account. A 50K account definitely has a lower drawdown, and exactly like Matt said in one of those sessions, he's like, it was like, this is a trade-off. You know, you can't buy a 50K account and expect $6,000 of drawdown or a big daily loss limit.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Exactly.
if we don't, this to me right now, this just feels like a stop run unless we get a secondary move. I mean, I know there was some volume there, but there was also a lot of chop. If we don't retake 600 in the next probably 3 or 4 minutes, this isn't catalyst related. This is probably just again either a stop run or just a big order that got hit or ran or something. The fact that we haven't gotten any follow through other than initial pop tells me that this was just something technical. But we'll see. Maybe something pops up or whatever. But I don't see anything
just a hair up
unless we get up to 600.
Yeah, let's see. Nasdaq's on the 30-minute coming into not just the 9 EMA, but pretty much a resistance point here at 580. So let's see if we can clear next target up on the Nasdaq. If we clear 580, I think would be 615, which we are getting a really nice pop up here. So let's see. We might try Nasdaq longs. If we can stay above this 580. I don't like it. At this point,
They got to take 600. They got to take 600 here, probably on this 5-minute candle, or it's just going to reverse.
It's so messed up today. Like, I just don't trust the price action. Like the setup I feel like is there. I just don't trust it. I don't trust that they're gonna actually, and they could follow through with this, but personally, I don't feel comfortable taking it. So I'm just gonna let it go.
That was pretty crazy. Anyways, I gotta go, guys. All the love. Peace. Until next time. We might be rotating accounts. We definitely are on this one for sure.